Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on cruise control in your Nissan Rogue. First, find the cruise control buttons, typically on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/OFF button to activate the system. You will see an indicator light illuminate on your instrument panel, confirming it is ready. Remember, cruise control generally works best at speeds above 25 mph for optimal performance. Once the system is active, accelerate your Nissan Rogue to your desired cruising speed, ensuring you are above 25 mph. Then, simply press the SCT button on your steering wheel to lock in that speed. To make minor adjustments, push the RES Plus button to increase your speed or the SCT button to decrease it by small increments. If you need to temporarily disengage cruise control, you have two easy options. You can either press the cancel button on your steering wheel or simply tap your brake pedal. To resume your previously set speed, just press the RES Plus button. When you are finished using cruise control entirely, press the on/OFF button again to fully deactivate the system. Many Nissan Rogue models also feature intelligent cruise control, which offers enhanced convenience. This advanced system not only maintains your set speed, but also automatically adjusts to keep a pre-selected distance from the vehicle in front of you. You can easily cycle through different following distances using the dedicated distance button. This feature helps reduce driver fatigue on longer journeys. For more great tips and other deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.